Hi everyone, as you see, it's almost Christmas time. So, for a festive holiday snack, or for Santa, we're making Grinch Santa hats. Anyway, first of all, you need to wash your fruit. I've already done that. Then you take one little grape, put it the long way, slide it on, and that's done. And did I forget to mention that you need a toothpick or one of these? Anywho, then you put that to the side. You take one of these bananas. You have to cut them up though. And put them on here. Slide them a little down so we can have a little room. Then you put it down. Then you take a strawberry. Then you cut it over in half. Then once that's done, you can stick it on it. And then, I know that these aren't really healthy, but sometimes it's good to have a little bit of sugar. But anyway, you put it on top, and there's your little Grinch Santa hat. Well, see you next time on Addie's Creative Snacks.